go.
Hey Scottie, it's Dr. Cece here. Let me go over a little bit of bike safety for you. Okay, you got the key from the library, you checked it out. You've got a bike helmet if you need it. It's not required that an adult wear one, but at least put it in, keep it with you and put it in the basket. So your key will allow you to unlock the bike, and you can put both the lock and the key in the basket here. Then you will pull the bike out. And you'll check the seat to make sure it's in the right spot. This one happens to be set at my height. These are step throughs so that you don't get hurt, okay? But your bike should be at the top of your bottom split, right here, okay? Now come here, let me show you these gears real quick. So when I get ready, and that means, well, actually, because where the bike is and where it is, it allows my leg to extend to ride. You don't want the seat down real low so that you don't have anywhere for your legs to go. We check the bikes every day and we set them on 6 or 7. You should be able to ride anywhere on 6 and 7. If you happen to be having to go up a hill, you can gear down. But don't turn the gears until you actually start riding the bike, okay? Because the chain will come off. It's easy to put back on if it does. If you happen to be somewhere, you can pull this down and slip the chain back on. But you should be fine. Have a great ride.